Is this all down?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, because we can't reach the cord.
Yeah, you definitely got to unsnap it.
Yeah, definitely got to take everything back out.
Here, we'll go for it.
Oh, for me now?
Well, no, I guess that's part of being a mechanic. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Well, you know how to do it now. You're pretty good at it.
All right.
I mean, if there was a way we can just reach in there and grab the cord. See, look, we could.
Let me at least take these 2 off. Unclip it, give more distance, because remember we were going to try. We're not lifting this out. Remember, like we were, what we needed to take those out for?
Right. I mean, are we fine with that? Because you see how it's a little different.
No, I'm cooler. Like, that's better. It's not like... Well,
The
it was
squiggly
more
line.
outdated, like, obviously.
Well, yeah, because this is that 1 year makes a difference.
Here, baby, don't squeeze that one again. That clip is tight. Yeah, there, I can't get it. I can move the calluses. No, like, it is different. You pointed it out. I was just glad that you could read it.
Yeah. You're like, the lights are on, it works.
It's not blue anymore. It's white. Okay, hold on.
You can try this. Oh.
Take the key out.
So you're panicking. Yeah, let's put it back in a little bit.
Okay.
You gotta take things slow, so we can take this out.
Fine. There we go. Let's lift it up and out. Okay.
You got enough room to get the cord out?
It's not gonna clear. No, we just gotta do this.
Alright, let's just take that then.
Just...
These clips are easy enough. We know how to do it, so.
That's cool how you could stop a smoker from being a smoker back in the day. I wish I would have known that.
What?
I would have always just unplugged my parents' the lighters. It's broken. That sucks.
Yeah. But you know, obviously. Ron didn't have to fucking work on cars.
There you go. That's that. Okay, here we go with the cluster again.
I think you're sitting on it.
Screwdriver. Or no, it is the...
That's why when you work on cars, it's almost like, yeah, I'm pretty good at doing that, yeah.
Yeah, because you're like, I had to do it like 3 times.
Yeah,
the first
put it
time.
in and take it out, put it in and take it out, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not embarrassed. Still, maybe. You're doing it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't do this. It is weird. It's like different. Kind of upset it's not blue.
What do you mean it's not blue? It was,
I thought mine was the colors like the Traverse, no?
it was the same.
Yeah.
Like a green.
Yeah. Maybe I'm just used to the Traverse's fancy ass shit that doesn't want you to speed 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There's no 5-mile lines. Damn, it's just really grab.
Oh, it's a whole cluster.
But the ones for the tire noise is sticking.
You gonna be able to hold it?
I'm gonna try. I don't want to drop them second time around.
Got it. What's up?
Is it? Okay, yeah, you did that. Okay. Time to get this. We'll just set it up here.
Yeah, just set it up there and we'll turn the key.
Alright, is the car on?
You hit the hazards.
Where?
It's on top. Top of your steering
Oh.
wheel. Can't get it this time?
That was sticky. Okay, where's the old cluster?
This one right here.
I really thought she only had 93,000 miles.
This is his key.
136,676.
Make sure I got it. 136,676.
Yeah.
I guess it is blue. Yeah, I guess it is blue.
Yeah. I know how I left my life in a lighter color. It's fine, it's perfect. Actually tells you 4-wheel drive instead of, remember, we were like, what is that skid? But how do you really know it's 4-wheel drive?
Exactly. No, I remember. You just have big letters now.
Okay. There we go. It's lined up.
The key is broken.
Well, could always just buy those cheap things to fix it, you know that.
Know what you could try to do? Is just put it in, like, insert it.
Yeah.
I was going to say insert it and then hold it with your finger like this.
No, that's what I was doing, babe.
Got it. I know some of them that I watched, some repair videos that I watched, that's when they say that. Now I'm just going to get into it, and I have done this a couple times.
Something, I don't think I lined it up right this time. Oh, there we go. What did you say?
Some repair videos, that's how they say it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just get into it. I have done this a couple times. And I do wonder if they mean doing it a couple times because they just did it before.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like just like this.
Yeah.
Having to do it a couple times. I mean, you learn though.
Yeah.
And that's the kind of knowledge that you'll learn when you spread it, you know?
Right.
Talk to somebody that's about to do it. You say, hey, remember, is it electronic?
Well, that's the thing. Now I'll be able to, like, help somebody. They'll be like, man, my driveway, my thing went out. I can't tell when I'm in 4-wheel drive or not. You know?
Exactly.
Then it's like, oh, yeah, it's probably just needed.
Did you check your wires?
Let's take your trim off. That sounds so perverted, only in my head. Well, because I'm helping out a girl, you know what I mean? Show me your trim.
Yeah, let's check out trim.
Check out my what?
Early.
Yeah. Where's the other one?
Just one left?
Yep.
And that'll be the next thing we gotta Google.
What, baby?
To find out how to get that.
Your miles back?
Yeah.
I wish I could. Like, no, I don't want to fuck nobody over them. The insurance company's screwing me. When they're like, your vehicle's brand new. It shouldn't have the problems you say it does. Well, you know, whatever, like, it will coincide and you'll lose out. You know, it could be fucking State Farm, we get in an accident and they think we're doing a scam because it's like, but that's not what you recorded
Right.
your miles as, you know.
You're right.
Like, fuck. Last thing I want to do is look like I'm making vehicle scams, you know? And something that's really fucking yours, you know what I mean?
Exactly. Yeah, once you hear the snap, you know it's on.
Thanks, Dad.
Whatever, dude.
Alright. How did you pass the car key thing the first time?
Just kind of wiggled it around.
Okay, there we go. Uh-oh, I think I came in the wrong angle this time.
No, look the same.
Okay. Where'd they go? There you go, baby. I'm gonna check it again. Reduced engine power. You're gonna warn me. She's gonna be more thoughtful now.
Oh yeah, now you're gonna say like, damn, this fucking thing is bitches. This fucking thing now, it's saying fucking it needs some oil. Fuck. I'll put fucking oil in when I'm good and goddamn ready.
Washer fluid. Damn, you sure are spoiled.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you, can you slow down a little bit?
Yeah.
You're pushing it.
Wow, that was easy though. Way better than buying one. Brand new.
Oh fuck yeah, a lot cheaper, isn't it?
Oh, what is that? Right there.
Yeah, we don't have to get no screws now.
Yeah, we hit a bump in this. Our dash, he starts to pull apart. Wow, you need a new car. I don't! It's just I forgot a screw. I don't! Stop! That's crazy. We didn't have to disconnect nothing for the vet.
Yeah, looks like it just goes in. That's cool. Makes it kind of easy.
Yeah, like I know what under a dash looks like. Yeah. Yeah, sure. I do that all the time.
Yeah, what kind of car? Yeah.
Fuck yeah, baby girl. Looks like you can be a long time. We love you long time. I guess so. Fuck yeah, I'm gonna be able to get rid of Michael Myers.
Yeah, be able to go on Michael Myers.
No one will have to yell, "That's a park!"
Yeah.
What? Shut up, I'm dying.
Yeah.
See, I'm gonna die by Michael Myers because you said. And the question might say, "Run, bitch!" You fucking around with this piece of shit. Get the fuck out of here. Okay, I think that feels sturdy. Feels sturdy. Feels sturdy. Let's get you popped up. Oh, you went in easy. Inside.
Security.
Oh, it's blue.